Good morning. It's been probably 2 months since the last video, but a fair bit's happened, and a lot's about to begin next week, so I thought it'd be time for a quick update. So, since the last video, we've graded and put down a gravel pad that's 3/4 minus. Back here, we've put in a drain field for the new septic system. We've done one of the 2 big trenches that we need, or God knows how many trenches we need to do, but we've done a couple of big trenches. One, you can see it's stubbed out. Just there is the power. That goes up to a new meter base, and then there's another trench, the transformer. And it was also a line there for Ethernet too. What we're doing right now is now it's a month later than we thought it would begin, and the weather has really turned and the soil's starting to get muddy. So we're just laying out a rough gravel pad a little bit further around the outside to make sure that the scissor lift can drive around the outside of the building while they're constructing it and not tear up the dirt too much. So a little bit more gravel is going down. But next week we'll be setting poles and beginning the construction of the pole barn itself. So next week should be an exciting week.